directive lang po to sa mga concerned government agencies in connection with the present situation sa Albay.
Albay? Okay. I have just received, last night I was receiving report ng mga pinapunta namin. Senator Gates was also there. DSWD, we are all ready kung anong yun, kung anong pangangailangan nila. Right now, we have kailangan linisin ang mga kalsada dahil sa asphalt. At ang DOH nandun din at nagbigay sila ng mga mask para yun nga sa usok at saka sa mga fumes na lumalabas. I spoke also to the governor and sabi naman na lahat ng needs ng Albay so far ay meron tayong support na binigay. So, well, unfortunately we are used to Mayon, but never mind, we are able to minimize the effects of the asphalt that is going into certain populated areas. Yun ang inaalala natin. The first concern, of course, was the health concerns, and we were able to bring out the people who were in the danger area. We were able to support them with medical attention, and now we are working on opening all the thoroughfares para lahat ng mga kailangan pumasok ay makapasok, lahat ng kailangan lumabas ay makalabas. And I think we will be able to stay at the thoroughfares that we hope to siguro by today. Kung lang mabuka ulit, kung hindi na mabuka ulit, mabubuksan na natin ang mga thoroughfares para sa pasok sa area.
Okay, thank you so much.